In this video, I'm gonna take a tablet to get a Samsung Galaxy Tab 3 that I got from a garage sale with a cracked screen. So I'm gonna take it apart, put me a new screen, and have me a tablet. So let's get into it, guys. Alright guys, this is my little tray I have with all my different tools, glue. This is basically what I use whenever I got to fix electronics, from phones to tablets, like we'll be dealing with today. So I got pretty lucky with this tablet, I would say, because the screen was not, the screen is not really attached. So like, it was already falling off. I did not have to do anything to really pry it apart, which was odd. Normally it's stuck on a lot more than that. So it makes me wonder if the previous owner tried to take it off. Now this right here, you want to work your way around very, very carefully. I'm using my left hand to try to keep it up, which I did off camera, kind of break some of these clips to get it off, just not all of them. Okay. So, got that all off. Now, we're going to go ahead and get the other screen. So, I got this in today, which we'll open it right here on camera. Hopefully, it's not broken. Alright, here we go. The only little bit we got is tools. Alright, so go ahead and put all these broken pieces in this box. Do not want to lose any of them. Alright, so go ahead and try to put this on and see if it works. We're not gonna connect, glue it down yet. I just want to see if it works. Let's see if we can do this without tearing it apart. And I am not a professional at this, but this is not my first time taking them apart. Taking tablets apart. Matter of fact, I've taken 4 tablets apart now. Okay. So that's on. So alright, I'll go ahead and put the battery in. Okay. Now, don't remember what the power button was. So, would the power button be in here? Is that it? It's supposed to be the power button. Oh my goodness. Alright, let's see if I can do something. Well, I feel like I am pressing it. So it may be a dead battery. Which, I mean, it's likely. I haven't touched this in a while. Been waiting on the screen, and when the screen finally came, I just pushed everything to the side, and then the screen, when I went to do it, the screen was broken, so I had to order me a new one. Okay, so we got the power cord, the power down there. Oh, there we go. Got a signification right there. That's a positive sign there. I don't know if you can see that, but we got a battery life. So I guess we should be in good shape. Well, I feel the vibration on my back hand. So I'm basically just gonna put everything together. It looks like it's gonna work. I don't know. I know it's gonna stink if I go ahead and put it all together and then it doesn't work like it's supposed to. But I can honestly say I have not bought all my screens from the same person, but I have gotten them. Whenever I do buy, I do buy these off of eBay. I am a big eBay fan, but I do buy these screens off of eBay, and when I do purchase, I do look at their sell-through. Like I'll make sure that 99 point something or 100%. I'll look at all that before I do order from each individual to make sure I get a decent product. And in case I do have a bad product or something goes wrong, I do contact the people, and I honestly don't remember a time where I had a discrepancy with the seller. May have. I mean, I've been buying on eBay for years now, but nothing really sticks out, which is a positive sign to me, because If your experience was extremely horrible, it would stick out in your head. But I'm not here promoting eBay or anything. I'm just saying this is where I get my screens from, and each individual seller I get them from, I've never had a problem. I bought them from my phones. Actually, I have a screen that I gotta put on my wife's phone. She has an LG V40. As a matter of fact, that would be the second one on that particular phone. The first one she broke standing on it, and this one, no, the first one broke because of our son, and then this one broke because of her. In any case, it broke. Doesn't matter who did it, it's got to be fixed. So we're gonna go ahead and see if this thing powers on now. Let's try to put this back in and power it on. That really ought to do. Oh, look at that. So let's power it on and see if we can kind of play with it a little bit, and then we're going to power it off and put everything together. I'm kind of excited because I've been wanting to get it fixed, and kept putting it aside, saying I paid less than 20 bucks. I mean, you could say $20, give or take a little bit, but I paid 20 bucks for it. The thing that really made the cost go up is because this is the second screen I had to buy. And so it made it about 40 bucks for the entire deal. But if you looked at, if I would have put it together whenever I first got it, I wouldn't have had no problem. See? Everything works. I do not know what kind of battery, what kind of camera this thing has, but I'm going to want to try to use it for my videos. So we'll see how all that works. Looks like it's working. I'm going to go ahead and unplug this right here, and we'll charge it up once I'm done. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and I can set this in here, I think. I apologize, guys, if I'm in the way. I'm just trying to be careful as possible with this thing. Normally I use my glue. I'm gonna go ahead this time. I'm going to go ahead and put it on as it's intended with the sticky side. Okay. Actually, this feels to be the easiest screen swap I've ever done. I know it's not, we're not done yet, but it feels really nice. Alright, let me go ahead and plug it back in. This was fairly easy compared to most of them I've done. Okay, apparently that other SUV doesn't work. Okay. Alright, I think that's about it. Let's go ahead and see if it powers on. then it powers on nicely. So that looks to be it. And that was super simple. If y'all got any questions on what I did here, but it's super simple. So if you got any questions, just put them down in the comments. I'll answer them as soon as I can. If you like this kind of content, how I tackle anything and everything around the farm, hit subscribe, hit the notification key, hit the like button so it helps the algorithm. But yeah, that's it, man. I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching.